tap on the train and then you're focused on the window right now.
There you go.
All the coal soot. Yeah. Yep, back on.
It's a pretty chill job though. You can ride a train,
Yeah.
shovel some coal.
Alright, let's go over tractor. He's driving it. Back to the tractor. Be surprised if this train job is like We're gonna stop.